Paper bag manufacturing full process. Process starts from paper roll to paper bag making, including printing on paper bags. India's first less investment paper bag making combo. Using this combo machine, you can manufacture both V-bottom paper covers and square bottom paper bags. What is square bottom paper bag? Before the plastic bag ban, you might recall purchasing single-use plastic bags based solely on their width and length. The underlying formula for these bags was straightforward. The gusset, which determines the bag's capacity, was typically 50% to 60% of the bag's total width. Now, when it comes to manufacturing square bottom paper bags or SOS covers without handles, the key principle remains the same. These bags should be produced with 100% width and a 50% gusset. Now we are manufacturing square bottom paper bags, so we are making paper tubes without bottom pasting. Our idea is to provide the eco-friendly packaging paper bags to small, medium and large retail shops, and mainly to HoReCa sector, hospitality food industry, which is in boom by Swiggy takeaways. When you are planning to start manufacturing paper bags and covers, don't look for machineries, look for cost-effective production and understand what is market requirement. What are the market solutions our FTC paper bag making machine combo is providing? 1. You can manufacture both V-bottom and square bottom paper bags. You can compete V-bottom paper covers in lowest price because it's a fully automatic process. Square bottom paper bags can be made as same as specification made by fully automatic paper bag making machine. 4. Either V-bottom or square bottom, you can make 500 bags minimum with customization. Reduce your working capital investment by manufacturing 3 sizes in single paper roll. Visit us and spend at least 2 days to learn the process and start your paper bag making business.